Hello my dear friends, in this video we will going to learn entropy balance. See, we already uh, learn about what is the entropy. So that entropy, now in this video we balance that entropy. So we know that, since we know that entropy since we know that entrop entropy the property entropy is a measure of molecular disorder, is a measure of molecular disorder, right? Or randomness randomness of the system, right? So what is say that the property entropy measure the molecular disordered or randomness of a system. So if anyhow you create a molecular disturbance, so that measure the entropy. That means if higher is the molecular disorderness, higher is the entropy. Lower is the molecular disorderness, lower is the entropy. Likewise, randomness of the system. If the system will have a randomness, so it's also have, depends upon the entropy. If higher is the randomness, higher is the entropy. So entropy is a measure. So if you anyone ask you that if there is a system, there is a one system and there is another system, if the system A is low randomness and system B is high randomness, so what your comment? The comment is that, sir, the system which is high randomness have high entropy, the system will low randomness, the low entropy. See, this is not a definition of entropy. See, this is not a definition of entropy. This is the measurement of entropy. This is the measurement of entropy, right? Okay. So, but we know that according to second law of thermodynamics, what is known that? We know that second law of thermodynamics, entropy can be created. Entropy can be created, but it cannot be destroyed. But it cannot be destroyed. What does it mean that? So entropy always created. Why? Because disorderness, randomness is always created, but it cannot be destroyed. So we cannot destroy it. That means we cannot be zero entropy. It cannot have a zero entropy. Why? Because there is no such a system that is a without any disturbance. Why? Because we know that all the natural process have, there is a disturbance. It is not necessary that this is a very well mannered. So each and every natural things have a, in a destroyed manner, in disordered manner. So you can say that if you construct a statue from a stone, so a stone is, according to a statue, a stone is a disordered manner. So when you convert a stone to statue, then you may that in a organized manner. You cut all the stones in organized manner so that the final appearance is like a statue. So all the natural, all the nature will provide all the things are in a disordered manner. Our effort is that we make that disorderness into order manner, so we can reduce the entropy. So we can reduce, so entropy can be created. Yes, it is reduced, but it can never destroyed. So entropy can never destroyed. Okay, so for this background we can say that from the previous video lecture, delta S of the system, delta S of the system is, what is that? Integration 1 to 2 dq by t plus S generation, plus S generation, right? So what is this? That this is the, this is the external irreversibility. What is this? This is your external irreversibility due to heat transfer, and this is your internal irreversibility due to dissipative effect. So what is that? This is your, what is that? This is your entropy change of the system, entropy change of the system, right? And this is your entropy transfer, that means external, due to entropy change due to externally, right? The entropy change due to external effect, or the external effect is a heat transfer, right? External effect is what? It is your heat transfer. So change of entropy due to external irreversibility, right? So what is that? This is your, we can write that sometimes, this is delta Se, delta Se. And what is the delta Se? Delta Se, change of entropy, the entropy transfer. That means change of entropy due to external irreversibility, external or you can say that entropy transfer, entropy transfer by heat, right? And this is your, what is that? This is your, this is your change of entropy due to internal irreversibility. That means this is your delta Si, you can write delta Si, and this is your change of entropy due to internal irreversibility. Generated within the system. This is mind it, this is not a property. You always mind it, this is not a property. Why? Because it is depends upon the path. So you always know that this generation is not a property, not a properties of the system. It depends upon path. Its value depends on path. So we can take a change. This is loose sense. This is not a change. this is your generated. I This is the loose sense, but you may write entropy generated. This is the exact word, entropy generated, and this is your within the system, not external to the system. This is always within the system, right? This generation is always within the system. So what is that? If that means, so what is that? That means entropy change of the process. So see, entropy change of the process, entropy change of the process of the system, that means S2 minus S1, entropy change of the system during a process is always greater than the entropy transfer. This is the entropy transfer. Why? Because this generation is always greater than 0. So if this is always greater than 0, so this will always greater than the entropy transfer. By how much? Entropy generation. So entropy change of the system during the process is greater than the entropy transfer by an amount equal to the entropy generated, equal to the entropy generated, equal to the entropy generated during the process within the system, right? So we can write that, so entropy change of a system during a process is greater than the entropy transfer, greater than the entropy transfer, greater than the entropy transfer by an amount equal to entropy generated during the process within the system, within the, okay. So this is your one point, this is your conclusion. So always entropy of the system will always higher than the entropy transfer of the system. By how much amount? By the entropy generation. So if you balance that entropy, so if you balance, so then you balance this. Why? Because this is always greater than that entropy transfer, so you must be balance it. So for the balance, let's take a system, like there is a system, let's take this is your system, any system, let's take any system. Likewise, see, this is energy into the system, and there is exit to the system, right? So energy, this is energy in, energy balance, like energy balance, energy out, and this is your change of energy, change of system, change in system energy, change of system energy. And if you take this is your entropy in. Why? Because entropy will transfer. So entropy in, and this is your entropy out, so the system, this is your system entropy, delta S of system. And also you know that delta S generation S generation is always greater than equal to 0. S generation always greater than equal to 0 because entropy will generate. So this is your transfer, entropy transfer, and this is your entropy change of the system. The change of the system is always higher than the entropy transfer. Why? Because there is a generation, but the energy will not generate. So what is the energy is in, the same energy is what is the energy is in, and what is the energy out, the difference between the system energy. But what is the entropy will in and what is the entropy will out? It is not a system entropy. It is not a system entropy. It is a system entropy is what is the transfer plus this generation. Why? Because this will always present in the shared system. See, in the limiting sense, this if this is a reversible, so this is 0. So what is the in and minus what is the out is the system entropy, is the system entropy. So in the case of reversible process, it the exactly same as the entropy, what is the energy balance is the same as the entropy balance in the reversible manner. Why? Because the generation is 0. See, the entropy, what is the system entropy? The entropy is net entropy transfer plus generation. What is the system energy? What is the energy is in minus energy is out, right? So what is the similar when the energy balance of the system and entropy balance of the system is analogous to each other? When there is a no generation, right? So we can say that what is that? We can say that total entropy entering, that means total entropy entering, that means SI, total entropy entering minus total entropy leaving, total entropy leaving minus total entropy leaving plus what is that? Total entropy generation, entropy generation is equal to what is that? Is equal to what? Is equal to what? Change in the total entropy of the system. Change in the total entropy of the system, right? Change of total entropy of the system. So this is entropy balance. So what is that? What we conclude that? We conclude that total entropy in is in minus total entropy out is out, right? Plus total entropy generation is Gn is equal to total energy, total entropy change of a system. No problem. So this is your entropy balance. This is your entropy balance called, this is called entropy balance for any system, any process, right? So what is say that? This say that the entropy change of the system. So it is say that the entropy, I'm repeating, entropy change of the system during process is equal to net entropy transfer through the system boundary and the entropy generated within the system boundary. I'm repeating again. The entropy change of the system during a process is equal to the net entropy transfer. This is the net entropy transfer, Si minus S out. This is the net entropy transfer through the system boundary, and the entropy generated within the system boundary. Okay, this is all right, no problem. So you can also write that this is what, this is your entropy, net entropy transfer. So this is your net entropy transfer. So what is the system entropy? What is the system entropy? Change in the system, total change in the system entropy. Total change of the system entropy is the sum of the net entropy transfer through the system boundary plus total entropy generation within the system boundary. Okay, so this is called entropy principle. Now in the next video we will discuss about this all individual, that means this is your entropy transfer, this is your entropy transfer, net entropy transfer, this is the entropy generation within the system, and this is the entropy of the change of the system. So we will discuss step by step what is the physical sense of this entropy balance of the system. Okay, thank you very much.